Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to problems in the first paper of the 2014 JEE Advanced Physics question paper. I'll be following questions as they fall in code 1, but in any other code, the questions will just be shuffled up so you can match them for yourself. The question 1 in this paper has a circuit with an alternating current So there is a resistance R is equal to 10. The potential of this battery is 50 volts. C is 20 microfarad. And there are two switches here. This is A, B and D. So first we connect A and B, and then after a time t is equal to 7 pi by 6 omega, we switch from B to D. That means after that A and D are connected, right? And we have some options in which one or more than one is correct. So when you have questions in which one or more than one option is correct, especially such a question in which options are not related, it's best to treat each option as a true or false. So let's look at option A. The magnitude of maximum charge before t is equal to 7 pi by 6 omega is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now, what is the magnitude of maximum charge before this? That will be, you will have Q is equal to, if you have I is equal to I naught cos omega t, then this is dq by dt. Right. Now, when the charge will be maximum, dq by dt will be 0. That means I naught cos omega t will be 0, which means omega t is equal to pi by 2, which means t is equal to pi by 2 omega. This is before 7 pi by 6 omega. Right. So t is equal to pi by 2 omega has a maximum of charge, and we can see that after that I will be in the negative direction, so the charge will decrease. So what is the charge between 0 and pi by 2 omega? Integral of 0 to pi by 2 omega I naught cos omega t dt. Now I naught is 1, integral of cos theta is sin theta, so 0 to pi by 2 omega sin omega t by omega, which gives us 1 by omega. Right. So this is 1 by omega. Omega is given to us to be 500, which means this is equal to 1 by 500 or 2 by 1000 or 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, not 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 as is suggested in the problem. So A is false. What about option B? The current in the left part just before t is equal to 7 pi by 6 omega. So the arrow is given in this direction, that means this is the positive current. Right. So from 0 to pi by 2, this is the direction. After t, omega t is pi by 2, that is t is pi by 2 omega, the direction will reverse for another pi by 2 omega time. Right. So this, for another 2 pi by omega time. The value at 7 pi by 6 omega will simply be I naught cos of 7 pi by 6 omega into omega, that is 7 pi by 6. We know that this is negative because it's in the third quadrant, so it has to be opposite to the arrow, that means counterclockwise. That means B option is again false because B says it will be clockwise. C asks us the immediately after A is connected, the current is R. Right. So immediately after A is connected, what is the current? So for that we need to know the charge on this at t is equal to pi by 6 omega. Right. So for that's easy enough, we'll just replace pi by 2 omega by 7 pi by 6 omega. Right. And this will be sine of 7 pi by 6 divided by omega. Sine of 7 pi by 6 is minus half. So this will be minus 1 by 2 omega instead of 1 by omega, what is minus 1 by 2 omega? That is minus 1 by 1000. So this is the charge, right? So what is the potential difference across this? That will be equal to Q by C, which is 1 by 1000 if you just take the magnitude, by 20 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is equal to, this is 10 to the power 4, so 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, or 100 by 2, or 50 volts. Right, so the potential difference across this is 50 volts. Right, now some students might make a mistake here. This is 50, this is 50, so the current is 0, but actually for the first half of the time period it was going like this, then it was going like this. So actually the positive terminal will be this and the negative terminal will be this. So the current potential difference across this is not 0, it's actually 100 volts. So the current will be 10 ampere. Right, for the first, initially the current is going like this, so the upper plate is positive, the lower is negative. After capital T by 2 or pi by omega time, it reverses, and then this is negative and this is positive. So the potential difference across this is 100, therefore the current across this is 10. So this is true. And Q is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Q is the total charge flowing from the battery to the capacitor. Right. So what is initially this charge? Finally this will be the same charge but in the opposite direction. Right, so this is minus plus initially, finally this will be plus minus. So 2 times this charge will be flowing. 2 times this charge will be 2 into 1 by 1000, or 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So option D is also true, which means the answer to this question is C and D. This is the best way to solve questions like these. Look at every option and see if it's true or false. It might take a little bit of extra time, but it's worth it because you make less errors.